It's okay, now you can't get away from it.
Oh, look at this. Walking away. Oh, look at that.
It's alright, that's going on my YouTube channel. Okay, say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Okay. Goober!
So did you pull the sweaty balls for you?
No, I
No,
couldn't.
it didn't.
It won't work because your internet's broken. Ah!
Why is my internet? My internet.
Say hi.
Our internet is not broken, Missy. You just
No.
can't use it.
It is broken. Haha, I got you.
No, you didn't.
Haha, yes I
You
did.
didn't.
Haha, yes I
It hasn't
did.
worked right since the thing crashed.
I know, I heard.
Is that on video right now?
Yes, it is.
Screw you.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey!
Ooh. It's going on my YouTube and people watch it.
I really don't give a yoop-de-doop.
A yoop-de-doop?
Yoop-de-doop.
Goober.
For the YouTube.
Goober!
It's a yoop-de-doop for YouTube.
Do something cute.
Well, that sounded good. Oh, did you get sweaty balls?
That's alright.
No, I didn't. Why not? Internet didn't work. Oh, yeah, that was good. That sounds good for the
Is that your cute?
Nice. Okay, Kyler, that's
Very
a bad,
cute.
bad move.
No, it's not. He's dancing.
Pelvic thrust, bad move.
It's not a pelvic thrust.
That's all you want, Kyler. He was doing this.
He was dancing.
He was doing the pelvic thrust.
You know yeah, you do it too.
You used to too.
Yep.
I still do it. Okay, what are you talking about?
Too much information. Don't you? We do not aim guns at people.
Guns. I'm not aiming the gun.
Do not.
Putting the laser out. Wow, that hurt a lot.
I could put it somewhere that it would hurt. Stop. That's alright. He can make a fool of himself for the internet. Do not.
Tyler.
See, he knows.
Now you're schooled by a 3-year-old.
Yeah.
You just tell me I got right. Just tell me
Okay.
people.
Tyler, I'm gonna end the video. What do? You say bye?
Bye.
That's it?
Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say.
I need it.
No, you